Today I'm making gnocchi from scratch and serving it with browned butter, arugula, and walnuts. All you need to start this recipe off is 4 potatoes. Place them in a pot of cold salted water and leave them to boil. Once the potatoes are soft and can easily be pierced with a fork, remove them from the water. Using a knife or peeler, remove the potato skins. If you have a potato ricer, then you can use that at this step, but I don't know anyone who does, so you can always just use a cheese grater or push the potatoes through a colander. Lay the riced potatoes out onto a clean work surface and then add a good pinch of salt. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl and whisk it up. Then pour this on top of the potatoes. Lastly, you'll need about 1.5 cups of flour. Use a sieve and dust half of the flour over the top of the potatoes. Then, gently using a bench scraper or a large knife, incorporate the flour into the potato and egg mixture. Once that has come together, flatten it out a bit and then add in the remaining flour. Gently incorporate this second addition of flour, then pull the dough together by hand. We don't want to knead this dough too much as it will make the potatoes gluey. The dough should be soft but still easy enough to work with, and if you find that your dough is just a little bit too sticky, feel free to add in a little bit of extra flour. Portion the dough into easy to manage portions, then roll those out into long cylinders. Use a knife or bench scraper to cut the dough into little gnocchi-sized portions. You can always make your gnocchi bigger or smaller depending on how you like them. From here you can cook them just as they are, or if you want to add the little ridges, you just need to use the back of a fork. Use your thumb to press the dough and push it off the back of the fork like I'm doing here. This way you actually get a little cup inside that holds extra sauce. To cook your gnocchi, toss them into a pot of salted boiling water, and when they float to the top, they're done. I'm serving mine with brown butter. To make this, all you need is to get a pan on medium heat with a good bit of butter, then cook it until it starts to smell caramelized and nutty. You'll be able to see the little brown bits in the butter as well, and you'll know that it's ready to go. At this point, you're going to add in your gnocchi, and then I'm putting in a little bit of crushed walnuts. I had some in the cupboard that I needed to use up. And then I'm just finishing this with a little bit of that leftover arugula from yesterday. Then of course, a little bit of flaky sea salt, because I'm fancy. So that is pretty much it. I'll be making different pasta videos every day this week, so if you liked this video and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. And of course, feel free to connect with me on Instagram at chef.studio_. I'll see you guys in the next video.